Donbosco Integrated Development Society ka break away na kaseng trimon ngobha jong balang Catholic kalapli perda ya ka Ialehkai open to all basketball tournament kabala penlong ha Sacred Heart Theological College Maulai. Hakani kasngi lawan pampli perda ya kani ka tournament da upadar Sunil Birla SDB ubade rector ka Sacred Heart Theological College Kumukongsan rengkat ka jingdan lang upadar pendai lang Khongklan ubade administrator padar James Ternyang executive director Donbosco Integrated Development Society bat kinong tray Jong ka bids. Ukongsan haba ajing kren ula ajing yaro ya ka bids bawat labun kijing kamsyam na kanran din bat kalawan syakmat bantray ya ka kam na kabanta ka buram jong ublay. Syuaban sedang ya ka jing Ialehkai ukongsan ula play perdaya kani ka tournament da ka sedang ningkong ban Ialehkai basketball harengkat ki weipat ki lingdo.
Is a definitely character formation. As Father Pinday, the others also have said, the discipline, teamwork. Without the teamwork, there is no way. Or not only this, the character, especially the perseverance, patience, working together. All these talents have been developed in this sport. So it is not just sports that you're going to have. It's a kind of, we can call it a school also. School where you are formed. Your character is formed, personality is formed. And therefore, along with this congratulations, I wish you all the best for this tournament that has already started. And at this moment that we are going to inaugurate it officially. And I wish you all the best to all the players, the referees, the coaches that have shaped or prepared the teams. May this tournament bring about best in the players. May their character be formed, especially of discipline, of team spirit, or sportsmanship. I wish all the best to all the teams, particularly that they may be able to exhibit solely their energy, their discipline, and their teamwork. I wish them enthusiasm without aggressive competition, without the hostility, and victory without humility. I wish all this and a fair game, particularly that they were able to respect each other and encourage each other. Not only the team members, teammates, but also all the others. And I wish you all the best for this tournament of this week, that it may really be a place where the character, personality of each other may be from, particularly the players of the young people. And may you enjoy this game, play with enthusiasm, with joy, energy, and with the right spirit and competition, particularly sportsmanship. I wish you all the best for this, to all the players and the organizers and the referees. All the best. And I have got this joy to declare open this basketball tournament of this bids, first time in this in our campus, in our court. And I declare it open, and let's witness this joyful moment and full of enthusiasm, energy of our young people. All the best. Let's give Father a clap.
Shows how to shoot. We see who is the best. Director!
And I hope this basketball tournament will bring you the true spirit of sportsmanship and brotherhood. With this inaugural program, we come to the end. So thank you and have a wonderful time ahead. So I request the bid staff also to come forward. We shall
kumbabitip ka bids kadai kaway na ki NGO kabatray mons ngobha ha ki South Lake State Jong ka Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura pat Assam Barakwali pat ngidon ki project prepare ngidon ki project Shapang ki Samla skill training ngidon nak ki women empowerment child right pat kum tater Tia bangi penyaj kini ki project la dangi yo jingerap na ki NGO prepare anen nagi donor prepare te ka long ka kamsuk yangi pan trekam henrei kat padang yaj ngio iru bol ki jinon kam jong ke imlang salang jong ikna school pat kum ka bits ngila shim kumba sawu pratli ki school jong sarkar ki school SSA ka bangi kwa ban yarap yaki ban ben ha kamtam ya kata quality of education Tengi don kam blackboard, ngi don kam repair se ki building ya ke school, ya ki band berkumda teter. Tengi melaban yo pisalan yo fun. Tengi le kumno ngi persang kene ke tournament pan raise fund na ke benta kene ke jing temu. Tengi ada ke jing sukmen ba bon kini ki sponsor jongiru ki wan chakmat POE situ sadin kini ki banar ba ki don ki organisation ke sarkar kamtam ki nongyalam jongiru ki kwa patpun ki individual donors tenga ai kublai yaki pat nga diang sobhaya pi baro kitu gibru ki badon kamon babha kila banya dek tilang bat ngi kamtam ya kene kam babha bat penroi bat page nak pentabun ki khun jongi ki samla jongi bat nam tak imlang salang yamenta chapang women empowerment directly ngi ya trelang bat ka MRLS kata ya ke blok maulai pat ya ke blok maupat te kedai ki staff pat dei mangina betsi ki ba page kami ya kene tengi don hoj ki skill training not exactly tang ba ki don ki tok entrepreneurship ki self help group ki bala yarap ru ya ki ban seng laga jong ka kum ka kerja company or cooperative society perngalayo I kila don lagi jong ki dukan mo par penkiu ya kayo ka kwat jong ki Hagata kom ngi adon benta bat ki neki kentai la neki for the women empowerment. Ya kene ke tournament kadai kajing ai jingmut hi na ki staff ki jongi ki ong ban raise fund ngatrai ka bha pangin pelong dekat tournament bat tema ki bawan ra ya kene idea bat ngi Shonglang bat ngila penlong ya kene. Kawai dei ban bangi sun raise fund la ne ban yo pisa Andai kadairu ka rensan na kebenta jong ki kun Samla jongi mentah kila dab ki exam ke jongki ki Shongkai ying penlut pol ase haki mobile dan only Shongkai lekai tengi penlong kane la kumno makiro kiyo kataga forum bakin Ialehkai bakin kilan met paru kecingnya day kecingnya teli kecingnya i kataga disiplin na kecing im jongki dei nak tagadaw ngi penlong i kene turnamen